We've got out that side and out this side. I'm not overly worried sitting here.
Someone's opened the security door.
Come on now.
I can't.
I'm surprised Tim didn't get up then. Right, where is it? Where's the fire?
Yeah.
Call it.
I smell smoke.
Yes. It was happening in my head.
His head goes back and makes
He's got 3 9. It's going to be a classic.
Tim was thinking, am I getting fire carry first?
I want to count it.
Count it.
What you got? Turn it up.
What have you got? Let's hear with him. Of course he has. Come on, beat him. This is going to be the funniest ever.
3. Beat it 3.
Ah!
Yes! Come on, baby.
Oh, I love
them live.
Slowly.
Monster.
Help me out here now, Steve. Help me out here.
Do it on the flop.
Oh.
No, ace. Put me an ace on.
No, an E.
No ace.
An E.
An ace.
No, I want a 3 to come.
An ace.
3's better.
Oh! An ace. Please,
River.
please,
Please,
an
beat
ace.
the river.
3. You're out. My shit, all of them. Give me that.
Tom.
Okay, that's it. We're not playing anymore now. Anyway, the fire alarm. The fire alarm gone.